PVC strip curtain that can slide and fold. Accessories as shown in the picture. Make a cutting model according to the diagram. Draw a cutting line at the top of the curtain according to the model. Cut off excess parts along the line. Place the hook clamp at the red arrow position. Drill holes according to the holes on the clamp. Assemble clips and connecting strips according to the video. Do not tighten the screws too tightly. Each curtain is assembled in this way. Fixed sliding rail. Slide the pulleys into the sliding rail. Hang the clamp hook onto the ring of the pulleys. Connect the curtain strips with connecting strips. Now you can tighten the screws tightly. Each curtain is assembled in this way. Sliding and folding quickly. Vehicles and goods can easily pass through. Time saving, labor saving, money saving. 10 胜百 gear.